So what's the most common challenge of most entrepreneurs? And the biggest challenge I hear over and over is going to be time. And the biggest thing with time is that you have to figure out, is this just a season or is this actually a pattern that I'm actually going to get stuck in? And that pattern is scary because you can get stuck in that pattern for a year, 2 years, maybe even a decade, where basically you're just running on the treadmill and nothing really ever changes in your business. There's two tools that I use, which is, one is called the Path to Freedom. The other one is called your customer experience mapping. But I wanted to show you the Path to Freedom today. And basically it's a very simple exercise where you're basically going to be writing out all the tasks that you're doing on a daily and weekly basis, and starting to list out, okay, I got a return email, I got client meetings, I got partner meetings, I got to do income reviews, total cost analysis. So I had 20 years in the mortgage business, and basically the income reviews and the total cost analysis were things that basically were taking a ton of my time, but weren't the highest and best use of my time. So in these channels here are going to be employees that you have, and it could be an employee that you may need to hire. So what you want to start thinking about, and even most recently, I actually just outsourced my email to one of my team members, where they're basically going to be doing all the pre-screening, where I can just come back in and basically look at the 5 to 6 important emails that I need to respond to for that day, but I'm not sorting through the 200 emails that I need to get through for that day. So then you got to figure out what are the things that you love to do that make the business the most money. And many times, it can be the client meeting and or the power partner meeting can be the things that you want to focus on. It should be only about 4 things in your business that basically you love to do that make the business the most money. But then also, what are the things that you need to get off of your plate? So for me, it's been email, income reviews, total cost analysis, guidelines looking up. So each business owner is going to be a little bit different. But if you can start to list this out and do this exercise, and then if there's a hire that you need to make, it's going to come very evident of what you need to do, who you need to hire, and what you're going to do to in essence, get your time back so that you can actually have the business grow. So you really need to be focusing on, is this a pattern or is this going to be a season? And this exercise, the Path to Freedom, as well as the customer experience mapping, are going to be the 2 things that can really get your business to run without you. And I'll be doing that customer experience mapping in another video, but make sure to like and follow for more.